we ended up getting the flu the day after Christmas, and that took all 5 of us out for about a week. And so of course that meant no progress on the project, and the day I felt the sickness coming on, I was scrambling to put everything back together. I didn't want to leave the house and the garage and the entryway in a total disaster for a week while I was sick, so I slapped everything together as quick as I could, made it look decent, and then curled up in bed until I got better. So anyway, we are back. It's a new year, 2019. I'm excited to get this project finished and wrapped up and share it with everyone. So today I'm going to cut the board backer for the coat hooks and the crown molding section at the top. So I'm going to get all that stuff cut. I've got a few measurements to make, and then I'll get to chopping away. All right.